In this video, I'm going to show you how to add footnotes to your documents on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then type in docs.google.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into your Google Docs account, where you can open up from a template or open any of your recent documents from the list below. Just open up any of your desired document. Now, in order to add footnotes to any section, just navigate to where you want your footnote to appear and place your cursor over there. After you place your cursor, simply click on the Insert button from the top menu. Now, from the drop-down menu, you will find the footnote option, so just click on it. You can also use Ctrl, Alt, and F as a shortcut for this feature. And now you will be allowed to edit your footnote at the bottom of your page. Just type in your desired footnote and you're just good to go. You will find the numbering of the appropriate footnote right on your footnote as well, and the place where you placed your cursor. And that is how easy it is to add footnotes to your text on Google Docs. You can repeat this process any number of times and it will automatically keep track and number the footnote accordingly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again